Welcome back, everyone, and I hope you enjoyed our lecture on extreme environments seen from a planetary science perspective. I have shared with you a couple of scientific papers that I believe you should read because they can give you a better idea of what is the definition of planetary analog and how the scientific community approaches this type of problems. So today's exercise is an hands-on experience on the process involved in the identification of a terrestrial analog for planetary studies. During the lecture, we've seen examples, especially from Africa, and we discussed about several instruments, especially looking at Mars. Ongoing missions and future missions have payloads with instruments that look at different aspects of Mars, geology, atmosphere, and so on. We have seen the example of MEDA weathering station on board of Perseverance rover. We've seen how that instrument was brought into the Makgadikgadi pans in order to calibrate the data coming from Mars, that dust levels and dust lifting events. So today, I would like to ask you to keep your focus on Mars. Think about Mars and what extreme environment on Earth can be considered an analog of Mars. Then once you found the environment, try to identify the characteristics, physical or chemical, that makes this a good analog for Mars. After you proposed this analog and the reason why it's a suitable analog, I would like you to select one or more instruments or analytical techniques that can be used in order to characterize this analog and improve our knowledge of processes that in the past or are ongoing on Mars. You can take this exercise from a different point of view, the biological point of view if you're interested mostly in astrobiology or structural geology, or surface processes, whatever you like, whatever you prefer. One suggestion: literature is full of analogs that have been presented by scientists that are very well characterized, some more, some less characterized. That's not the job for today. I would like for you to use your imagination and let your curiosity drive you into the research of this environment. So the exercise is to let your imagination free and come up with a potential suggestion for a new analog. Good luck.